animals who are 6 weeks old are held in crates and starved to death. 7 public health codes are violated. But because the violators represent a powerful political group, the Department of Health turns a blind eye. Don't touch me.
I've always wanted to be a doctor, and I think that I've always been focused on the social justice aspect of it. And so for me, it sort of played out from the medical.
Dr. Barbot, you have betrayed the public trust by turning a blind eye to an animal sacrifice ritual and putting politics ahead of public health. This mass slaughter that you see in this picture endangers the health of some of New York City's poorest residents.
You know that contaminating the streets with the blood, body parts, and feces of thousands of sick animals creates a public health crisis.
You know this is illegal. Stop putting politics ahead of public health.
We are here to be a voice for all the human and animal victims of this massacre that takes place on public streets.
Dr. Barbot calls herself a social justice advocate, but she neglects some of the poorest people in New York City.
You are complicit in an atrocity that you have the power to stop.
You are hijacking our court. Get out.
Body parts are
A massacre is inappropriate and the Department of Health is ignoring us. We have been ignored. We have. We've sued the cops and they're defending it. This is the only way we're going to be able to help the victims. Nothing else has worked.
We would do this if this were in your neighborhood.
Act up, fight back! And innocent New Yorkers are under attack!
What do we do?
Act up, fight back!
Why is the Department of Health allowing 60,000 animals to be massacred on public streets?
Body parts are everywhere!
Dr. Barbot doesn't care! This is a public health crisis in some of the poorest neighborhoods of New York City.
Oxiris Barbot!
Do your job!
Oxiris Barbot!
Do your job!
Body parts are everywhere.
Dr. Barbot doesn't care!
Oxiris Barbot!
Do your job!
And I really apologize that you guys didn't get to hear Dr. Barbot.